Yeah?
Could you help me for a moment?
Yeah, sure. What do you need?
I'm a new student here actually, and I try to find the classroom 107 for my orientation session. But I have already checked the campus map, and the directions still confuse me. So what should I do?
That's okay. It can be a bit tricky at first. Hey, Mia, hey! Hi, this is my friend, Naila.
Oh, hi, nice to meet you. What
Hi.
are you looking for here?
Nice to meet you too. I need to go to the classroom 107.
Alright, classroom 107 is actually near the administration room. But first, you have to go downstairs.
Actually, I haven't been there yet, so I'm not sure where it is.
No worries, we can help you. So the first step, you will walk straight along that hallway, and after that, after a few minutes, you will pass into the classroom, and the administration is on your left, and the classroom 107 is your right.
Okay, I think I know which building it is.
Good. Now, classroom 107 is next to administration's room.
So, is it on the same side?
Not exactly. Classroom 107 is on the right side. If you are walking straight, it will be on your right.
Okay, so you mean that the administration room is on my left and the classroom 107 on my right?
Exactly. You will find easily because it's a small room with a clear number on the door. But to make sure, walk straight, past the administration room on your left, and the classroom 107 is on your right. Is this clear?
Yes, that's clear. Thank you for checking. Okay, but wait, is there white building the administration room that you mean?
No, the white building. It's for administrations for science education department.
Yeah, she is right.
Oh, I see. I almost went into the wrong building.
Don't worry, most new students get confused during their first week.
Alright, thank you both so much. Your explanation are really helped. And now I'm confident I can find the classroom 107.
Anytime, feel free to ask if you get lost again.
Okay.
And welcome to campus. I hope you enjoy in your first time.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it and see you around. Bye bye.
See you.